In our last video, we have started discussing about the image formation by spherical mirrors, and we started with a concave mirror. So, the first two cases we have discussed that when the object is at infinity, then Brendu will have the image of that object, and the second case, when we keep the object beyond the center of curvature, then also what is the image, nature of the image. So today we are going to discuss about the next two cases, and we know that when we shift the object towards the mirror or away from the mirror, we get the image of different nature. So let us try to find out with these two cases. So we are going to have the third case where the object is kept at C. C, it means it is center of curvature. In a previous video we have discussed about the terms associated with the spherical mirrors and the special rays also that we are going to apply to show the image formation. So we are here with the third case when the object is placed at the center. So let us keep our object at the center of curvature. This is our object. Okay. Now we'll consider the special rays so that we can have the reflected ray, and then after intersection of those reflected rays we can have the image. So first ray we are going to take is parallel to the principal axis and falling on the mirror surface. So after reflection it will pass through the focus, correct, like this. It is going to pass through the focus. Now, to get another reflected ray, we are going to apply the another special ray. So, we can use the second one, the ray of light which is passing through the focus, like this. After reflection, going to be parallel to the principal axis, like this. And you can see here at the center of curvature itself, we are going to have the image. This is our image at the center of curvature itself. Okay, wherever the reflected rays intersect with each other, we can have the image of the object. See, now we can write the nature of the image, and we have to write the 4 points. First point is S. S stands for size. Second is T, time. Third is O, orientation. And fourth is P, position. So we have stop. Okay, if you will learn this stop, you can automatically learn that you have to write 4 points for image, nature of the image. So see, the size is almost same as the object when the object is kept at the center of curvature. So the size is same as the object. Time, whether it is a real image or virtual image. So because the image is formed in this case is by the actual intersection of the reflected ray. You can see here, this is the first one and the second reflected ray. The actual intersection is taking place. So it is a real image. or inverted. So you can see it is forming below the principal axis. The object is kept above the principal axis and the image is forming below the principal axis. So it is inverted one. And the position. See, it is clear, it is forming at C itself, at the center of curvature itself. The image will be formed when the object is kept at center of curvature. Okay? Now, we are going to shift the object further towards the mirror, and from C, the object is now kept between the center of curvature and the focus in the fourth case. So now we are going to keep our object somewhere between the center of curvature and the focus. Right? This is an object. Again, we will do the same thing. We have to choose any two special rays out of the four, and after the intersection of the reflected rays, we'll get the image. So the same thing we are going to do here also. We'll apply the first one, that is the more frequently used special ray in this case. So this is the incident ray parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it will pass through the focus like this. Okay, so first special ray we have applied. Now the second one we can apply, and we will take the ray of light which is passing through the focus and falling on the mirror surface. After reflection, it becomes parallel to the principal axis like this. This is the second one. This was the first one, and here we are going to have the intersection of the reflected ray, the actual intersection, and will have the image of the object in this position. This is the image. Okay. It's very clear that the image is forming in front of the mirror. And now we can write the nature of image also. The 4 points we have: stop, size, type, orientation, position. Just observe it and you will be able to write all these 4 points. Size, you can compare. The image is looking bigger than the object. So this is bigger than the object. Type, obviously it is forming by the actual intersection, so it is a real image. Orientation, it is forming below the principal axis, the object is above, it is erect, so the image is inverted. And the position is, see, it is the center of curvature here, and we have the image after the center of curvature or beyond the center of curvature. Okay. So these are the two cases where the object are kept in front of the concave mirror and we can have the image. So in our next video, we'll take the next two cases and we'll have the image formation. Thank you very much.